Hi, I'm Dylan, here in the Tulip Experience Center at Operations Calling 2024. I'm here to talk about an exciting collaboration with Sartorius, here with Tiffany.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for hosting us today at the Tulip Operations Calling event. We're really excited to feature one of our very first apps that we built together with Tulip here today. So what I have in front of us is a Sartorius 50-liter single-use bioreactor. As you can see, there's a lot of individual components that are associated with the installation of a bag in a bioreactor, running the bioreactor, decommissioning the bioreactor, and these are all use cases that we've identified as opportunities to collaborate with Tulip. So what we have here today is our very first work instructions app on how to install a cone on a bioreactor to secure the bag and the actual bag holder. So the bag holder is the stainless steel portion on the outside. The bag itself is the plastic single-use component inside, eventually inflating the bag and preparing it for actual bioprocessing. Typically what we've seen customers do in the past is that they have these long paper documents that they'll actually have to have a physical checklist right actually behind Dylan right there. That's a paper holder, that's not for Tulip. And so they actually have to have a physical document with a physical checklist of going through the individual steps to set up a bioreactor. And what we've been able to accomplish together with Tulip is to take these very static instructions and turn them into dynamic, media-rich work instructions directly on the Tulip app. All of this content is generated by Sartorius to help our customers expedite their Tulip journey. And we're really excited for what the future holds together with Tulip and expand this to our other process equipment, including our wave bioreactors, our chromatography skits, filtration skits, media and buffer preparation. And so the opportunities are really endless together with Tulip.
Yeah, we're really excited to partner. Thanks, Tiffany.